go, traders. This is very exciting. When we featured the short trade up here, it's on the YouTube channel, and we'll recap it with our other bigger traders. Once again, we continue to hold it, but right here we have a 200-day moving average. Yes, we do have a daily sell signal. Yes, it is short-term oversold. Tesla is short-term oversold with today's big loser to the 200-day moving average. And we will get a pop off of that 200-day moving average. So we covered our put position that we made. And we made over 250% gain. Nice trade, everybody. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Use the comment area. Update us on what you're holding, how we can help you today. Let's take the next big step together. What does that mean? Making the money. If you want to make money, then sign up for the free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. There you can see the trades going down, and you can believe what you see. You have all to gain and nothing to lose.